Was there once life on planet Mars? What if I told you in recent years, scientists have discovered evidence that water and elements that are necessary to support life once existed on planet Mars? Mars is also known as the Red Planet and is our celestial neighbor in the solar system. Many researchers have been searching for remnants of life on Mars for the past decades. Scientists have had success with the Mariner orbiters, the landings of Viking 1 and 2, and the twin rovers Spirit and Opportunity, who have all traveled over the planet's terrain. In August of 2012, NASA's rover Curiosity, which consisted of the most innovative technology at the time, successfully reached the surface of Mars. The developments of this mission helped set the stage for future operations. Only 40 days after Curiosity landed on Mars, it unexpectedly came across cobblestones. Scientists immediately recognized these rounded and smooth stones as they are found in many rivers on Earth. These findings indicated that water once flowed on Mars. However, according to Kristen Sibach, a planetary geologist at Rice University, this new discovery does not require life in the past or present, but presents compelling evidence that Martian life could have once existed. For a planet to thrive similarly to Earth, there needs to be nutrients such as SNOPS. SNOPS is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These nutrients make up 99% of all living things. So in order to determine if life once was on Mars, there would first need to be evidence that each component of SNOPS once was present on Mars. From the Martian soil that the Curiosity rover collected, researchers found a diverse chemistry of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. Eventually, they did find traces of phosphorus. This revealed that there was plenty of chemical energy available for life on Mars if there was anything ever living there. Curiosity overall found the ingredients for life to emerge, but not actual life itself, because the instruments at the time were unable to do so. Shortly after discovering there was once water on Mars, scientists discovered from orbital images a delta which once formed a lake in Jezero's crater. According to Kevin Hand, an astrobiologist at JPL, Jezero's crater was once under at least 100 meters of water 3.8 billion years ago. Researchers collected mud samples from the delta that built up year after year, which formed at the end of the river channel flowing northwest. Scientists diligently looked at these mud samples, which led them to discover tiny microbes that were living in the mud. According to geologist Tanja Bozak, the only life we can hope to find on this old ancient Mars is microbial. The rippled layers of rocks are called stromatolites. These rocks are a type of remnant. These remnants of rocks are a type of ancient microbial life. According to Julie Townsend, who performs lead and robotic sampling, collecting samples from Mars is one of the most complex things we've ever tried to do with one of our robots. The Perseverance rover will have more than 40 sample tubes aboard, and the objective is to fill each tube with a sample of rock from Mars. The sample tube will be located inside the drill at the end of the rover's arm. When the sample tube is complete, it will be transferred to the inside or belly of the rover, where the other arm will take the sample tube through a sequence of stations. It took scientists 7 years to design, construct, and experiment with this unique sampling system. Space exploration is beneficial to society because it allows scientists to figure out if life once occurred on planet Mars and what fundamentals for life were present. The Perseverance rover is extremely advanced and has benefited space exploration technology. Mars exploration has also benefited society because it sparked youth interest in science and space, which is beneficial for the future generation of people. There is microbial life that exists on Mars, which was founded from the highly advanced space rover Perseverance. Buzz Aldrin once said, "Mars is there, waiting to be reached."